Hey guys! I like how it just dumps it right in the drain so aggressively.
I know, right?
Oh, I get a bathroom closet. I wonder. No, I guess there was never a shower set up here. There's actually kits on Amazon to tap into the pipe and put a shower on. So I'm going to be buying one of them. Oh yeah, I think your mom's the one who told me about it. Hello down there. Oh my god, there's a lot of names and heights on this wall.
Yeah.
Man, my toe...
It says Rocky.
What?
Uh-huh, right there.
That's spelled wrong.
Yeah, it's spelled wrong, but it's still Rocky.
Wow, it is hot up here.
Yeah, it gets toasty.
Oh, cool. Ring shank nails. Yeah, I'm allergic to heat. Oh, there's a Dell. Oh, my bad. That's a DDR2 era Dell.
Yeah.
So, the question is...
These are actually pretty solid.
Stairs.
I mean, they're fucking just screwed up.
Yeah, I'm too afraid to climb down it with the floor being ripped up around it just because I don't have as much to grab onto to get us situated.
Yeah.
Rocky, I weigh 224. I don't know what I mean now.
Huh?
I weigh 224 now.
I'd weigh 255.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna give it a test.
No, it's not. No, it's just because I have a fucky leg.
Here's some original wiring.
No, good old bob and tube. Wait, did you guys come back upstairs? Oh, never mind. Whoa, your sink's weird. That's kind of cool.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You got a little side compartment there. Oh, I guess we'll have to find out where the hell that leak is at some point. Look at Jake's stove. He's got a cooktop.
Squeak.
These things you can't cook anything on because you need a perfectly microscopically flat pan.
Yeah.
Why do you? Who needs a phone charger that's really long? Oh God, not a live laugh.
Live well, laughed off.
Yeah, I got better floors than you in the bedrooms. You got fucking plywood down here, which I just slapped carpet over. Oh my God, you have carpet in the fucking bathroom!
Oh, Jesus Christ. I hate that.
I'm gonna go take a shit.
I just what? Okay, I'm coming here.
No, the other way. Not there. Come to the closet.
You got okay.
You got the password, bro?
Ectoplasm.
Come in. Oh fuck.
Come in.
Pikachu, use a rectoplasm. You need to put like a little welding mask glass through that slit. Oh, my legs and these stairs.
What do you mean, like an auto tinting went there for no reason?
Yeah!
Say what?
Oh yeah, guess what? Ah! Big Russian gun, part of my personality. Oh, this is locked. Damn it, we'll have to go through the other door. Well, one of the doors is unlocked. We'll take one that's unlocked. Oh, a carpet. No, that's a vacuum. Oh my god, I haven't seen one of these since I was a kid.
What?
Oh, that'll be fun to clean up. We already did the same thing at Jerry's.
Probably harvest some of that.
Oh, there's living things in here. I just saw something jump, which is surprising because look at all the oil.
Frogs? Question mark?
I just wonder if these chemicals are turning them gay.
Are they snakes or are they frogs? That's the question.
Oh, no, fuck that.
Do you think the property creek is big enough to bear fish?
Yeah. Gotta make sure there's no obstructions.
Especially with the brush there.
Oh yeah.
Fish love that.
Did I just hear something try and go off the water?
Oh, hey, we actually, hey Wesley, check out this little walking board here.
Yeah.
There's got good kind of stuff too. Like how yeah.
Oh, Rocky, here's an idea. Just put a fucking net there so that way all the fish just get caught in it.
Well, that would, I don't even think, it probably wouldn't be legal.
No, probably
You're
not.
not allowed to trap fish.
But I guess if the apocalypse comes.
Yeah.
I think it might actually
Woo!
be something.
Woo!
Nope, hold on.
This would be a great spot to sit and fish. High Ollie's fish with dynamite.
I think you just leave a crater in this creek if you use dynamite. It's too shallow.
Use tannerite and guns to hunt for fish. You know, we still didn't get an official like tour of exactly where all the property lines are.
Yeah. It looks like whoever used it didn't give a shit. No one really said anything about it. I don't want to know what that is.
Brass.
Ooh, what's that?
Looks like a lock of some sort. Look on the inside. But brass, high value. Skin ID. What are they like fucking making meth? Oh my god, they're probably making meth back here.
Yeah, that's definitely what that was.